What's up YouTube, and welcome to my first video. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix a puncture on a bicycle tire. Let's begin. Some kind of container that can hold water, spanners, patches, rubber or super glue, and a pump. Remove the flat tire off bicycle. Take your spanner and jam it into the tire like this. Then drag the spanner across the tire until you reach the point where you started. Separate the rim from the tire. Take the tube out of the tire. Put the tire aside because we want to work on the tube. Grab the pump and pump the tube just a little bit so that the tube can round up. Next, bring back the container that was holding your water. Dip the tube in the water. What you're looking for is a place where a lot of bubbles are being shot out of the tube. Just keep running the tube in the water until you find it. I don't know if you can see it through the camera. On the patch, bubbles are coming out. Since bubbles are coming out from this patch, that means the patch was not successful. So what you have to do is remove the patch and put a new one on. Gently remove this patch off the tube. Now our spot is ready for a new patch. Bring back the patch, put some glue on it, try covering the whole patch with glue. Then stick the patch on the tube. Give it a few minutes and let it dry. Dip the part you just patched in the water again, and if bubbles show, that means your patch was unsuccessful and have to redo it. What it's supposed to look like when you dip it in water is that there will be no bubbles at all. Bring back your tire and put the tube back in. Make sure the tube is straight, because if it's not, you might end up blowing up your tube. Then bring your rim over. Align the hole on the rim with the valve on the tube. When putting the tire on the rim, first do one side, then the other. You might have to use a little bit of force on this part. Or even take some air out. That should make it easier.